Hello, everyone. Welcome to our 20-day slow English speaking and listening challenge. Each day, you'll hear a new story to help you learn English slowly and clearly. These simple stories are about life, family, and fun. Don't worry if you miss some words. Just listen and enjoy. Watch one video every day. Practice and grow your English skills. Are you ready? Let's start today's lesson.
Better English Podcast.
Hello and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is my family. You will listen to a long story about a woman named Sophia. She will share details about her family, their daily lives, and what makes them special to her. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just try to catch the main ideas. Focus on who Sophia's family members are, what they do, and how they spend time together. Are you ready? Let's start. Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia. I'm 39 years old, and I'm so happy to tell you about my family today. I live in a small, colorful town in Spain called Granada. Granada is a beautiful place with old buildings, sunny streets, and the smell of orange trees in the air. The town is lively, with music playing in the squares and people chatting at cafes. I love living here because it feels warm and full of life. My family is very close, and we spend a lot of time together. I live with 5 people: my grandmother, my parents, my twin sisters, and me. Each person in my family is special, and I want to share their stories with you. Let's start with my grandmother, Rosa. She is 75 years old, and she is the heart of our family. Rosa has short white hair and warm brown eyes that sparkle when she smiles. She lives with us in our big house, which has red tiles on the roof and a small courtyard filled with flowers. Rosa loves to cook. Every day, she makes delicious meals for us. Her kitchen smells like fresh bread, garlic, and herbs. Her best dish is paella, a rice dish with seafood, chicken, and vegetables. When she cooks, the whole house smells so good that I can't wait to eat. Rosa also tells stories about her life when she was young. She grew up in a village and worked in a bakery. She tells us about dancing at festivals and picking fruit in the summer. Her stories make me feel connected to the past, and I love sitting with her at the kitchen table, listening while she stirs a pot of soup. My father's name is Alex. He is 60 years old and a mechanic. He works at a garage in town, fixing cars and motorcycles. His hands are strong, and his clothes often have oil stains from his work. Alex is tall, with dark hair that's turning gray. He has a loud laugh that makes everyone smile. At the garage, he listens to music while he works, usually old Spanish songs that he sings along to. He's very kind and helps our neighbors when their cars break down. Sometimes he lets me visit the garage, and I watch him use his tools. The garage smells like metal and gasoline, and it's noisy with the sound of engines. Alex loves his job because he likes solving problems. When he comes home, he tells us about the cars he fixed, and his eyes light up with pride. On weekends, he takes us for drives in his old car, and we explore the hills around Granada. The wind blows through the windows, and we laugh as we sing songs together. My mother is Clara. She is 58 years old and works as a librarian at the town library. Clara has long black hair and wears glasses. She is gentle and patient, and her voice is soft when she speaks. The library is a quiet place with rows of books and big windows that let in sunlight. Clara helps people find books, and she loves reading to children who visit. She brings home books for us to read, and every evening she reads to my sisters. Her favorite books are about history and adventure. She says books take you to new places without leaving home. Clara is also very smart. When I was a child, she helped me with my homework, especially math, which was hard for me. Now, she teaches my sisters how to write stories. Clara's favorite thing is to sit in the courtyard with a cup of tea and a book. The courtyard has a small fountain that makes a soft splashing sound, and she says it's the perfect place to relax. I love joining her there, and we talk about our dreams or funny things that happened during the day. My twin sisters are Lena and Nina. They are 12 years old and look almost the same, with curly brown hair and big smiles. Lena has a small freckle on her cheek, which is how I tell them apart. Both girls love dancing. They take ballet classes at a dance school in town. Their teacher says they are very talented. Every afternoon, they practice in the living room, spinning and jumping to music. The music is loud, and their laughter fills the house. Lena likes to wear pink dresses, and Nina prefers blue. They also love drawing. They make posters with flowers and stars and hang them on their bedroom walls. Sometimes they argue about small things, like who gets to use the best crayons, but they always make up quickly. Lena and Nina are full of energy, and they make our family more fun. They love playing tricks on me, like hiding my shoes, but I can't stay mad because they are so funny. Our house is big and old with white walls and wooden floors. It has a big kitchen where we all eat together. The kitchen table is round and we cover it with a red tablecloth. Every morning, we have breakfast as a family. Rosa makes fresh orange juice and Clara toasts bread. We eat fruit yogurt, and sometimes churros, which are sweet fried pastries. We talk about our plans for the day, what Alex will fix at the garage, what book Clara will read, or what dance Lena and Nina will practice. Breakfast is my favorite time because we are all together. The kitchen smells like coffee and oranges, and the sunlight comes through the window, making everything feel warm. After breakfast, everyone goes to work or school. Alex drives to the garage, Clara walks to the library, and Lena and Nina take the bus to school. I stay home in the morning to help Rosa in the garden. We grow tomatoes, peppers, and herbs like basil. The garden is small but full of colors. Red tomatoes, green leaves, and yellow flowers. I love digging in the soil and feeling the earth in my hands. Rosa teaches me how to care for plants, and we talk while we work. She tells me about her childhood or sings old songs. Gardening with her makes me feel calm and happy. In the afternoon, I work as a florist. I arrange flowers in a shop in town. The shop is bright, with vases of roses, lilies, and sunflowers. The smell of flowers is everywhere, and I love choosing colors to make bouquets. People buy flowers for weddings, birthdays, or just to say thank you. My job makes me happy because I create beauty. Sometimes I bring home extra flowers and put them on the kitchen table. Lena and Nina love the bright colors. And Clara says they make the house feel alive. In the evenings, we have dinner together. Rosa cooks something special like tortilla espatola, a potato and egg dish. We sit around the table, eat, and talk. Lena and Nina tell us about school, and Alex shares funny stories from the garage. After dinner, we play games or watch TV. Our favorite game is a card game. We laugh a lot because Nina always tries to win by hiding her cards. Sometimes we watch a Spanish movie about families or adventures. The living room is cozy with soft pillows and a big rug. We light candles and the room feels warm and safe. On weekends, we do special things together. Sometimes we visit the market in Granada. The market is busy with stalls selling fruit, bread, and crafts. The air smells like spices and fresh bread. We buy olives, cheese, and sometimes a sweet pastry called Tarta de Santiago. Other times, we have a picnic by the river. We bring a blanket, sandwiches, and lemonade. The river sparkles in the sun, and we play games like tag with Lena and Nina. These moments make me feel close to my family. I love how we laugh and share stories. My family makes me feel grateful every day. Rosa's cooking, Alex's jokes, Clara's stories, and Lena and Nina's energy fill our home with love. Granada is a wonderful place to live, and my family makes it even better. I hope you enjoyed learning about them. Thank you for listening to my story. Now, let's check your understanding. Answer these questions. Who is Sophia's grandmother? And what does she love to do? Her grandmother is Rosa, and she loves to cook and tell stories. What is Sophia's father's job? Her father, Alex, is a mechanic. What do Sophia's twin sisters, Lena and Nina, enjoy doing? They enjoy dancing, ballet, and drawing. How old are Lena and Nina? They are 12 years old. What does Sophia's family do on weekends? They visit the market or have picnics by the river. What is Sophia's job? Sophia is a florist. What does Sophia do in the morning with Rosa? She helps Rosa in the garden. If you answered correctly to all these questions, you have done a very good job. Keep practicing your English, and you will get better every day. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye-bye.